Hey you, and welcome to this video. Today we'll help you out by showing you how to breed your animals in Minecraft and essentially multiply them like crazy. So we've got a nice little cage over here for the sheep and one for the cows. I do apologize for this being very loud, by the way. And what you want is you want some wheat, which I have a wheat farm right here. If you have a lot of cows and a lot of sheep, you want it a little bit bigger than this, but I don't really need it. I don't use cows or sheep as my primary food source. I use golden carrots, so I just basically use them for the leather and the wool. And what you want to do, as you can see, when I hold out the wheat, they get very interested. You just want to right click all of them and they're gonna make beautiful little baby sheep. This is also a very good way of gaining XP. Even Jeff is still here from the other video. Go off, buddy. Let's do the same with the cows. There we go. Making a bunch of baby cows. And yeah, wow, even my pickaxe is mending itself, so that's pretty good. But yeah, that's pretty much all there is to it. Once again, I'm sorry for this being extremely loud, but I had to show it off this way. If we helped you out, please consider subscribing, and we'll see you in the next one. Bye bye.